This is a quick Moodle Glossary tutorial just so you guys know how to get in and add what I need you to add. So if you go to our assignment this week, Chapter 12 Glossary, and you click on that link, it's going to bring up the glossary. Your assignment is to add 2 different concepts to the glossary from Chapter 12. You can choose what you want, you just can't duplicate something someone else has. Don't forget to include a picture and include a link to a website. So I'll walk you through all of that quickly. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to click Add a New Entry. Now remember, as you're listening to this, if you need to pause just to stop and do what I'm doing, make sure you click the pause button on your video. So you click Add a New Entry, and you're going to fill in a concept. Let's just say, for an example, I'm going to do pedagogy. That's the concept, so that if you were to look at a glossary, that would be the bolded word. And then in this spot is where you would put the definition. So I'm just going to put a set of educational practices, even though it's a more in-depth definition than that. Then you also need to include a picture. So you're going to need to go to a new tab, and I'm going to Google education, because I know if I Google pedagogy, I'm probably not going to get exactly what I want. So I'm just going to do education, and then at the top I'm going to click on images. So these are the images that come up, and I decide that as I look through these, I like this one of the classroom because it looks like some type of educational practice that the teacher has set in place. So I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to hit View Original Image. It's the center block. Your picture has to be the only thing on the screen in order for this to work. So as you can see, this is the only thing on the screen. I'm going to go up to the web address bar, and I'm going to copy that web address. I'm going to go back to my glossary, and the little icon that shows a mountain, it's a picture with a mountain and a little sun, and if you hover over it says Insert Image. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to paste in that web address and put in some alternate text. So I'm going to put educational pedagogy picture. Then I'm going to click OK. Now as you can see, it's pretty big, and I don't want this huge of a picture in my glossary. So there's a little tool on the second row that's called the Enlarge Editor. It's the arrow that points to the right, so you're going to click on that, and that will get you into a bigger screen, and you can even make that full screen. So you're going to click on the picture, and that will give you just one click. That'll give you some pull handles, and you're just going to take it and shrink that picture up. Okay, that's the best that I want to do. So I can exit out of this. It'll be underneath where I need it right here. And then if I wanted a website, you can go in and you can copy the web address for your website and put it down here, and then you can click this hyperlink button and paste the website address in that if you want to. That way people could just directly click on it. When you're done, make sure you click Save Changes, and that would be how you add an entry to the glossary.